In this video, we will talk about how to fix class not registered error on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Before you do any troubleshooting, make sure to watch the complete video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Reset default apps. Click on Windows icon, open the settings. On the left hand side, click on apps, open default apps. Scroll it down to the bottom. Here you will see reset all default apps. Click on reset and click on OK. Method 2. Reset Windows Explorer. Click in search and type task. Open it. Here you need to search for Windows Explorer. Scroll it down, you will find the Windows Explorer. Select it, do a right click and select restart. This will restart all the required services. Close it and check if this helps you to fix your problem. Method 3. Re-register DLL files. Click in search and type cmd. Select run as administrator. Click yes. Here you need to type some commands. I have mentioned these commands in the description. From there you can copy paste both commands. First you need to paste this command and press enter. Click on OK. After this you need to paste the second command and press enter. This will re-register all of your DLL files and show you the screen to install the required files on your Windows PC. Let it be done. Once you'll get a screen to install the another services, simply click on install and restart your computer and check if that helps you to fix your problem. Method 4. Fix system corrupted files. Click in search and type cmd. Select run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to paste the commands. I have mentioned this command in the description. From there you can copy paste this command. Paste in here the sfc command and press enter. After this you need to paste DISM command and press enter. Let it be done. Restart your computer and check if this helps you to fix your problem. Method 5. Component services. Click in search and type run. Open it. Here you need to enter a command to open component services. After typing the command, click on OK. This will open the component services. Expand the component service in here. Expand the computers. Then my computer. Click on dcom config. This will show you a prompt. Click on OK and close the window. Method 6. Reinstall or repair Internet Explorer. Click in the search and type control and open the control panel. Click on programs, programs and features. On the left hand side you can see turn Windows feature on or off. Here you will find Internet Explorer. Possibly you will not see the Internet Explorer if you are a Windows 11 user. If you are using Windows 10, then you will get Internet Explorer. Uncheck the box. Afterward, click on OK and restart your computer. After restart, come back to the same screen. Check the box of Internet Explorer. Click on OK and restart your computer again. So that's how you can fix class not registered on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. That's all for today. Meet you in next video.